What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a close grip bench press. Now first let's get out the way what's the difference between just a regular bench press and the close grip bench press. Well, the wider you go with your grip, the more the exercise focuses on your chest. And the closer you get with your grip, the more it focuses on the triceps, and then the chest is a secondary movement. So with the regular bench press, you're doing a wider grip, so you focus the chest as a primary muscle and triceps as a secondary one. But here with a close grip bench press, you're focusing on the triceps and the chest are a secondary muscle group. So to begin, the same bar on the bench, lay flat, no space in between your back and the bench, no raised glutes, raised back during the whole bench press exercise. That's wrong. You see a lot of powerlifters do that to move more weight, but that's wrong. So laying flat, get the bar up, and like I said, you see my grip is a lot closer than you see me when I'm just bench pressing, just doing a regular bench press. It's a lot closer. So what I do, I have that two little, marks in the middle, that big middle mark right in the middle of the bar. Then I have one on the left and one on the right. So I grip my hands to those, and then I move them about 2 thumbs apart. I'm gonna show you later when I grip the bar again in my second set. We're gonna talk about the grip more, but now as you see, at the starting position at the top, inhale, squeeze your core, go down slowly, touching your chest to use the full range of motion, explode back up, exhale, and at the top of the movement, squeeze the triceps to get the most muscle tension and to engage the most muscle fibers in your triceps, which is the goal with this exercise. So as you see, this is the regular bench press grip. Now I'm going closer. You see? See, I'm getting the grip. It's a lot closer. It's about 2 thumb spaces closer than when I do a regular bench press. That's how you should do it. Your regular bench press and about 2 thumb spaces on each side. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good position for the close grip bench press. About 2 thumb spaces on each side closer and you'll be fine. So starting position, inhale, squeeze your core, go down in a straight line slowly, touch your chest for the full range of motion, explode back up, and at the top really extend and really try to squeeze the triceps. See, inhale all the way down, full range of motion, touching your chest, explode back up, squeezing your triceps at the top of the movement. It's not that complicated. Just go down in a straight line and try to control the weight as much as possible. Because if you're first doing this movement, maybe the bar is going to wiggle around a little bit because it's a little bit different than the regular bench press, because it focuses on the triceps. So you have to have more control in your arms and really focus on squeezing the core and having control when moving the bar up and down. That's basically it, guys. That's how you perform a close grip bench press. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe.